In a charming little pet store, the air is filled with the joyful songs of birds, creating an atmosphere of happiness. The owner beams with pride as they watch customers marvel at the lively feathered friends, knowing that each purchase fosters love and companionship. As the customer cradles the canary, a sense of connection blossoms, and their smile radiates warmth. Meanwhile, a family explores the store, laughter echoing as they discover the joy of bringing a new feathered friend into their home.